Mounting pressure on the U.S. Supreme Court to decide if former President Donald Trump can appear on the ballot. Some say the court needs to act soon.
I think they have to. We can't have a patchwork quilt of different states with different regulations in terms of a federal office like this.
Maine wants to take his name off the ballot under the insurrection clause, but it's on hold pending legal action. It comes after a similar decision in Colorado. Republicans and the Trump team are appealing. Congressman Bill Keating says it's ironic.
His actions and the actions of those people that followed were to usurp the rights of the voters. So to claim now that this is usurping the right of the voters is very rich in irony.
Trump's name will appear on the ballot in Massachusetts. Massachusetts Republicans say the Mass GOP believes the decision about who to nominate as our next president should remain with voters and not be decided through administrative rulings or legal maneuverings. Democracy demands that the voters be the ultimate arbiter on suitability for office.
These are party events. The candidates who go before the voters are chosen, in fact, by the party structure in the state.
Secretary of State Bill Galvin says Massachusetts law is different from Maine. He says here the party gets to choose, and one of the candidates is Trump.
I think they have 6 or 7 people they placed on the ballot. I don't have the right to take them off the ballot.
Now, Massachusetts, Maine, and Colorado all set to hold primaries on Super Tuesday. That's on March 5th. Now, Secretary Galvin says that means ballots need to be printed up and essentially be ready to go in the first weeks of January. So he's wondering whether or not Trump's name will in fact appear on the ballot in Maine and Colorado.